In this guide, I'll show you how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. So from the YouTube home menu, you want to ensure that you're signed in and then select your profile picture in the top right corner. And from here, you want to scroll down until you see settings and you want to select it. Now, this should bring you to account settings. And if you have a look, you should see your channel right here. And you'll also have the option to create a new channel. So go ahead and select that. That'll bring you to this page here where you're going to have to create a channel name. So I'm just going to put in tutorial, but give it any name you'd like. And you can change the name at any time. And then you have to check mark stating, I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. So we're going to select create. And then after a few moments, you'll see that we're now signed into a new account. And if you select your profile picture in the top right corner, you can easily switch between the two accounts that you have on the same Gmail. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.